Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings and navigating to Sound and Vibration or Notifications. This gets you straight to Do Not Disturb. Make sure you have device admin access and that apps can post notifications, because DND controls rely on those permissions. Once you've found Do Not Disturb, tap it to view basic toggles. Enable the main switch now so you can configure exceptions. While doing that, note whether your phone uses schedules or rules. That determines the next steps, so prepare to adjust timing and allowed senders. You'll now create rules and exceptions to control interruptions more precisely. Start by adding automatic schedules for bedtime or work hours, selecting days and start/stop times. Once done, those rules trigger DND without manual toggles. Next, choose who can reach you. Allow calls from starred contacts only or permit repeat callers if that's critical. Then, make sure alarms and timers remain active, and explicitly enable or disable app notifications you consider important versus non-essential. This balances silence with safety and functionality. Finish by testing. Place a call, send a message, and set an alarm to confirm your DND settings behave as expected. If a visual or sound still appears, check volume and vibration settings and the specific app's notification permissions. Sometimes visual interruptions are controlled separately. Make sure scheduled rules are enabled and prioritized in the order you want. If something still fails, disable the rule, toggle Do Not Disturb off and on, then recreate the rule. That reset often clears configuration glitches and restores intended behavior.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.